Hi, I'm Mike Bernasconi from NutriSafe Corporation. I'm here today to talk to you about our CN2-220V model. The V model can be installed vertically or horizontally. The V model, as in all our tube models, has a patented integral union end with an O-ring seal. The V model also has a stainless steel screen in the bottom. This screen is used to hold the media sac up off from the bottom of the unit. And this is how we recharge the unit. The media sac comes in a cardboard tube, put it up against the end of the unit, and it slides right in. Put it back in, lock the lock rings. Installed in the vertical position, the inlet is at the bottom of the unit. This allows maximum contact of the condensate with the media and provides best neutralization. The unit can also be installed in the horizontal position using the flow direction indicated on the label. Our new fitting configuration includes two 1/2-inch male by 1/2-inch female threaded 90s, which allows you to either go straight out of the unit or angle from each end. We are also including two 1/2-inch male by 1/2-inch PVC glue fittings and two 1/2-inch male by 3/4-inch PVC glue fittings. This gives you a huge variety of configurations with which to install the unit. We do not recommend the use of an overflow, as our neutralizers are not prone to clogging and we don't want to dispose of untreated condensate. Should you need more information, please visit our website at www.nutrisafe.com. Thank you.